You're watching part 2 of how to make a WordPress website. So if you don't have a template installed yet, please head over to that video. The link for that video is listed in the description below. Now I'm going to show you how to customize this template. So let's get started. So let's look at what the template looks like right now. This is a free template by Astra. Okay, so anytime you want to edit a certain page, just scroll to the top of that page and click on the Edit Page option. Next, choose a part of the page you wish to edit. I'm going to edit the first picture on the home page. You need to make sure you have permission to use the pictures on your website. If not, you're violating copyright laws. You can either buy stock photos, or you can use websites such as Unsplash that are both copyright-free and free to use. Let's go to the Unsplash website. Now, I will search for travel photos, and I'll choose a picture for my home page. Next, you should download the picture. I will choose the small option. Next, save your picture. Now it's time to compress your image. Using lots of images on your website will slow it down, so it's important to reduce the size of your images. The general rule is to use images that are 150 kilobytes or less. The compressor website is free to use. Now, I'll upload my travel picture. As you can see, I reduced the image size by 51%. Download the new image file and save it to your computer. Now it's time to go back to my WordPress website. On the right-hand side of the page, make sure the block menu is selected. Under the block menu, make sure the style option is selected, which is where you'll change your home page picture. Now you should select the Upload Files option at the top of the left-hand side of the media library. Once the picture is uploaded, click on the Select button located on the right side at the bottom. As you can see, the words on the front page are white and hard to read. So let's change that. Click on the words you want to change. Then scroll over to the right side of the page and select the Color option, which is located under the Style menu. Once you choose a color, the font color will change. Now let's say you want to change the other text on the page. Simply click on that text and edit it. And anytime you want to undo any changes you made, just click on the Undo option at the top of the page. Now let's say you wanted to replace an image on the page. Click on the image or placeholder text. Then choose the Replace option and the Remove Image option. Next, click on the block or area you want to add an image and select the Image option. Then you can upload a new picture or choose a picture in your media library. Once you choose your picture, click on the Select button. Next, choose the Update button to save your changes. Now let's say you wanted to change the main menu of your WordPress website, which is at the top of every page. Click on the WordPress logo at the top of the left-hand side of the page. On the left-hand side of the page, scroll down to the Appearance menu and choose the Menus option. To add a page to the Home Page menu, select the page in the Add Menu Items area. Then click the Add to Menu button. Once the page is added to the menu, you can also rearrange the order of the menu by moving that page up or down. And to create a submenu under a page, just move the submenu page to the right. Once you're done making changes, choose the Save Menu option. Just a quick recap. If you want to edit a specific page, click on the Edit Page option at the top of that page. And to edit a certain part of that page, click the Enter button. Then, click on the plus sign to add certain blocks, such as a paragraph, image, heading, etc. Once you click the Update button, you can click on the Preview button to see the changes you made. Finally, you can customize other parts of your website using the Customize option. For example, you can upload your logo, which is located under the Site Identity menu. You can also change the font on your entire website by clicking on the Global menu and the Typography option. Then you should click on the Publish button to see the changes made to your website. As you can see, the options to customize your website are endless, and it's a simple process. Now go customize your website. But before you do, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.